My experience with Squeaks cleaning has been very good. It's been a pretty amazing experience, actually. So the thing that makes the experience so good was the communication was wonderful. It was scheduled, there was reminders, they showed up on time, they reviewed when they would be there, showed up professional, signage, a very good service experience. The quality of the service was outstanding. I was gone, I came home, I pulled up, I could see from 70 feet away how clean the windows were. And I was not expecting it inside and out, all the screens. I thought we were just cleaning the outside of the windows, and the details were wonderful. I'd recommend Squeaks just because of the communication alone. Like, it's very refreshing to see people show up on time when they say they're going to be there. I think the giving aspect is also a nice touch. Jordan and the crew are obviously dedicated to providing the service and giving back to something that they're passionate about.